Hello my dear students, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine by the grace of our Almighty. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Today I am here with a new class. I am Salma Akhtar, teacher of nursery, Milestone Preparatory KG School, Mohammadpur branch, Dhaka. So let's start our class, okay? Before starting our class, do you want to say a rhyme? Yes? Okay, let's enjoy a rhyme. By seeing this rhyme, you have to guess which class I am going to take now, okay? So let's say a rhyme. So my dear students, did you enjoy the video? Yes? Okay, now we will recite this rhyme, okay? Say with me like this. I want to recite a rhyme. My rhyme's name is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's start. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. The lamb was sure to go. So, can you tell me now which class I am going to take now? Yes, yes. Can you guess? Yes. Now I am going to take your English class. Yes. Do you know why? Because just we recite an English rhymes. Yes. So today I am here to take your English class. Now we will discuss our previous lesson. Can you remember what did you learn in your previous class? Try to remember. Yes, in our previous class, you learned write two words with D. Write two words with D. Yes. Now, can you tell me those two words which start with D? Yes, yes. Yes. Dog and doll. Very good. Those two words are dog and doll. Yes. Now we will read the spelling of dog. Yes. D-O-G. Dog. Say again with me. D-O-G. Dog. And doll spelling? D-O-L-L. Doll. Say again. D-O-L-L. Doll. Yes. So this was our previous topic, right? Now we will start our new lesson. So can you tell me, in our English alphabet, D after which letter comes? Yes, right. D after E. D after E. So today our topic is write two words with E. Write two words with E. Yes. So before starting our class, we have to know what is word, right? So word is a group of letters or sound which has a meaning. Okay, my dear students? Say again. Word is a group of letters or sound which has a meaning. Okay. So today we will see many words with E in a video. Okay. So let's see the video in which we will see some word with E. Okay. Let's enjoy the video.
E for egg. E for air. E for elevator. E for eye. E for envelope. E for eraser. E for elbow. E for earth. E for engine. for elephant. E for eagle. E for egg. E for air. E for eye. E for envelope. E for eraser. E for elbow. E for earth. E for engine. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for elevator.
Did you enjoy the video? Yes? Very good. In the video, we have seen many friends with E, right? So, E for elephant, E for eraser, E for egg, E for elbow, E for earth, E for eye, E for ear, E for elevator, E for eagle. Yes, so many friends, right? But today we will learn only 2 words, right? Yes, today we will learn only 2 words, which is egg and eye. Yes, these 2 words we will learn today. So, do you know what is egg? Egg is a food, right? All of you know what is egg, right? It's a food. We eat an egg every day. Do you eat an egg every day? We should always eat an egg regularly because it has a lots of protein. Okay, so all of you will eat an egg every day. Our another word is eye. Everybody touch your eye, show me your eye. This is our eye, right? What is eye? Eye is a body part. It is a body organ. With this organ, we can see everything, right? Yes, all of you have 2 eyes. Yes. So, today our 2 words with E is egg and eye, right? The spelling of egg is E G G, egg, and eye spelling is E Y E, eye. Okay, so now we will write the spelling of egg and eye in the board. Okay, so let's start. Look, here I have drawn the lines of English copy. How many lines in our English copy? 4 lines. 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. So this is our English copy. Now we will write the spelling of egg and eye. So E is a short letter, right? Yes. So where we will write E? In the middle row, right? Before writing the words and their spelling, always remember that you have to use always small letter. You have to use small letter because you cannot use any capital letter for writing the words. Okay? So let's start with small letter. So small letter E sits in the middle row. So here is our E. Okay? E for first word is egg. Yes, and the spelling of egg is E G G. Yes. E is a short letter, so in the middle row. Now tell me G. G is a hanging letter, so it will be from middle row to third row. Yes. G is a hanging letter. G after again G. Yes. So E G G, egg. E G G, egg. Egg after which word? I. So I also start with E, right? So at first we will write E. E after Y. Y is a hanging letter. Hanging letter starts from second line to third line. Here is our Y. Y after E. Yes. So E, Y, E, I. Okay. Let's write again. Okay. At first we will write E. E is a short letter, so it will sit in the middle row. Then we will write egg, and the spelling of egg is E G G, egg. Egg after I. E Y E, I. Okay. Now we will read the spelling. Okay. Say. All of you say with me. E for egg. E for I. E G G, egg. E Y E, I. Right? Say again. E for egg and E for I. E G G, egg. E Y E, I. Okay. So now Miss will show you how you will write in your homework copy. Now I will show you how you will write 2 words in your homework copy. This is your homework copy. At first you have to write the caption. Write 2 words with E. Then in this side you have to write E. After that egg and then I. Okay. In this portion you will write E. In this side you will write egg, and in the last portion you will write I. So let's see how we will write. At first you have to write E like this in the middle row because E is a short letter. Now we will write egg. E G G, egg. Then I, E Y E, I. Let's write again. E. Then under egg we will write egg. E G G, egg. E Y E, I. Like this you have to write the whole page, okay? I hope all of you have understand how you will do your homework. Dear students, today we learned two words with E, which is egg and I, right? Did you enjoy the class? Okay, if you understand everything, so it is very good for you, and if you don't understand any point, then you will see the video again and again. I hope you will have no problem then, okay? And inshallah we will meet soon in our classroom. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and study properly and do your homework regularly. Okay? Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.